Hey y'all, Dana with Sullivan Family Homestead here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own fabric softener. Okay, so like I said, today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own fabric softener. Now, this is not an all-natural recipe. This is just a frugal recipe, okay? Because a big jug like this normally costs about $5 to $6 at the grocery store. But the supplies that I use end up costing me about $1.50. So it's a considerable savings, and I actually really like it. So here's what you're gonna need. First of all, a big bottle of Suave conditioner. Pick out the kind that you like the smell of, because this is the smell that your fabric softener is going to be. I like it. So I typically use the Suave Essentials Daily Clarifying one. I like the kind of clean and not too perfumey smell of it. And you want to make sure that you get the family size bottle. Okay, that's very important, because of course that's assuming you're doing a big jug. All right, these measurements are going to be fairly loose in that this is a 1.17 gallon 92 load jug. And so I know from doing this recipe enough that I have the recipe written on the bottle. I know how much of each thing I need. Now, with these ingredients that you're going to mix together, you're going to find that once it's all incorporated, that your fabric softener is going to be this nice creamy consistency. So it's not going to be like thick ploppy jello, and it's not going to be runny like water. So, okay, for the big jug, you're going to need a family size bottle of conditioner. You're going to need 2 1/3 cups of white vinegar. And then you're going to fill the rest of the jug with warm water. So the first thing I do is take this cap out and then pull the top off of the conditioner, turn it upside down on the jug, and then just squeeze it out. So I'm going to adjust the camera here so you guys can see. Here we go. Now you want the entire bottle to go into the fabric softener jug. Now, because I don't want to waste any of it, I take some of my water and I'm just going to pour a little bit into the jug, hopefully not make too big of a mess. Give it a little bit of a shake. And then dump. And I make a little bit of a mess with this, but it's okay. Alright, that's pretty clean. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour in my 2 1/3 cups of white vinegar, which I already have pre-measured. There's that. And then I'm going to put the cap on and give it a good shake. Now, so far in the jug, all there is the conditioner, the white vinegar, and just a little bit of water. There we go. And this is going to be a little bit frothy, which is why we give it a shake while it's just vinegar and conditioner. So it kind of helps mix it up pretty good before you put the water in. This is going to help remove any kind of bubbles or anything like that. Alright, now I use really warm water instead of cold water because I want the conditioner to break down a little more so that it incorporates better. Okay, so now that it's about half full, get your exercise this way too. All right, here we go. Now this time it's almost full. I'm just going to give it a gentle back and forth because I really don't want all the foam in there. All right. And you can see, let's see here, how it's kind of got that creamy consistency. That's what you're looking for. And it'll thicken up just a little bit. It'll thicken up just a little bit after it sits, but for the most part, that's going to be it. So as you can see, it has pretty much the same texture and consistency as store-bought fabric softener. So now that that's got a little bit of bubble in it, I'm going to have to wait for it. But there you go. So it has 2 1/3 cups of white vinegar. It has a family size bottle of conditioner and then topped off with warm water. Now, if you were doing a standard size jug of fabric softener, you could easily cut the batch in half, and then you're using not quite a whole bottle of regular size conditioner and then 1 1/2 cups of vinegar, and then top it off with water. So there you go, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys try out this frugal fabric softener and that you guys like it. Have a good day, guys. See you later.